Okay guys, so sometimes when we do parallel lines, you'll get something that looks like this, and it's going to ask you to find these angles in regards to a specific angle that's in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a marker in our shape here, okay? And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to name what angle this is in regards to where it sits in this shape, okay? So when we look at our angle marker, we look at the line that it starts on, and it starts on A, okay? So I'm going to write it up here. It starts on line A. Its vertex is this point here, which is G, okay? And it ends on this line here, which is H, okay? So AGH. Now, really important to recognise that you could also write that as HGA. Okay, now if I come over here and I'm going to find these list of angles that are corresponding to this angle here. Okay, firstly, let's find the corresponding one. So the corresponding one to this one, it sits on the same side of the transversal, okay, and sits outside the parallel lines. So it can either be this one or this one. So they don't sit next to each other, so it's going to have to be this one over here. Okay, so that is angle BHC, okay, BHC. Once again, it could also be CHB, okay. Now we need to find the alternate angle, okay, we need to find the alternate angle. So the alternate angles sit on opposite sides of the transversal, so it can't be this one, or this one, okay, and they sit inside the parallel lines. So it has to be either this one or this one. Now, the thing with alternate angles is they are equal, so they look the same, and they sit at a diagonal, okay? So it's going to be this angle here, all right? That's our alternate angle. That's DHG, okay? DHG, okay? Now, co-interior. We need to find the co-interior for this one. So, co means two angles, interior, inside, two angles inside. So that means it's going to be the angle that sits inside here with it. So it's going to be this one over here. That's the only possible one that it could be. And that is BHG. Okay, it's not C. That would make it this angle. It's BHG. Okay, BHG. Supplementary. Supplementaries sit on a straight line. It could be two. It could be this one here, okay, like that. Or it could be this one here, like that, okay? I'm going to write this one in. Okay, we'll write both of them in. So that's FGA, FGA, or it could be EGH, okay, EGH. Finally, vertically opposite, okay? So our vertically opposite angle sits here, okay? Two straight lines that intersect each other, angles that sit opposite are vertically opposite and equal. So we've got FGE, okay? FGE, okay? So that gives you a little bit of understanding about how to find these angles and also naming those angles, which is very important, all right? If you've got any more questions, please ask your teacher. You need to do a lot of practice on this. And when you do a lot of practice, make sure that you have a go at the answer and then check the answers. Don't do 20 in a row and then check the answers. Do one, check your answer. Do another one, check your answer, okay? It's the only way that you'll learn. All right, guys, good luck.